Let us learn the use of multi-wavelength scan feature in ChemAg Scanner 4. In the existing analysis file, add a scanning step. Click on Finish Step Definition. Click on the scanning step to edit the parameters. Enter the parameters as follows: scan type multi-wavelength, start wavelength, end wavelength along with other parameters. If fluorescence and absorbance scanning needs to be done, then select Advanced option in measurement mode. Now click OK and click Continue to scan the plate. Multi-wavelength scan is done for unknown or known samples as required. In multiple wavelength scan, we scan the developed tracks on HPTSC plate at different wavelengths. As the scanning is in progress, let us understand the utility of multi-wavelength scan. Multiple wavelength scan helps in detecting unknown fractions which are not detected in fixed 254 and 366 nanometer wavelength. Multiple wavelength scan also helps in finding out optimum wavelengths for detection where there are mixed fractions of unknown sample. It helps in study of response of fractions separated at different wavelengths. To find wavelengths which have minimum noise to the chromatograms. With multiple wavelength scan, we can scan absorbance, fluorescence simultaneously in a single step. It is easy to program with VisionCat software for screening the sample separated across 31 wavelengths in a single step. Once the scanning is done, we now obtain the chromatogram data, which can be seen under the Data and Profiles menu. We can now observe the overlay of the chromatograms and the colors associated with the wavelength. Substances which are visible at selective wavelengths can be seen based on the color coding. Use the Alt and right mouse click to review the 3D overlay. Quantification data can be also seen under an Evaluation tab. Thank you for watching, and for more information contact us at lab@ankrum.in.